It was definitely a day where people needed to stay cool. A lot of people hit the beach, headed to the lake, and looks like there's more in store.
Yeah, it was a great day to do so. Hot, sunny, and humid, and it'll be another day tomorrow that'll be great for the beach or to find another way to stay cool because it'll be hot and humid once again. Actually, outside right now, you can see it's pretty clear in terms of sky condition, 72 degrees, 69-degree dew points, so it's still hot and humid outside, so we aren't going to have too much relief in terms of that as we go into the overnight hours of tonight. Now, most areas are clear. We do still have a couple of pesky showers going through the northern parts of the state, but those will disperse as we go into the overnight hours, and most are going to remain dry. Now, in terms of temperatures, still into the 70s, even this late at night, a little bit cooler in down east where they were a little bit cooler during the day today, and it's still pretty humid as well. Dew points still in the middle 60s, 70s in Lewiston and Augusta, so it is still rather humid in the overnight hours of tonight, and that's going to continue even as we go into the day tomorrow. Now, in terms of high temperatures reached today, keep in mind our average high temperature is 79 degrees. And take a look at that, 93 in Freiburg, 92 Augusta, 91 in Caribou was actually tied for the record high that they set back in 1976. And the forecast high temperatures for tomorrow leads to another hot day. Most areas in the upper 80s, a couple of 90s as well. A touch cooler along the coast because of that sea breeze, but it'll still be a hot and humid day tomorrow. So a good day to get out to the beach if you can. Now for tomorrow, we will have some fog hanging in down east that will take a few hours to burn off, but be patient, it will. And then we're going to have some scattered showers and storms, thanks to that daytime heating as we go throughout the afternoon. And then as we get into Friday night, some of those clouds will roll in. Saturday is going to be a little bit cloudier than Friday with a couple of scattered showers, but overall it's not going to be too wet. And then as we get into Saturday night and into Sunday, that's where we'll have more clouds and more showers rolling in, kind of getting us back into that rainy pattern. Now, if you're going to be out on the water at all, seas will be at 2 to 3 feet, winds south-southwest 5 to 15 knots, and the water at 60 degrees. Now, in terms of our 7-day forecast, if you notice the little tags at the bottom, it is going to continue to be humid over the next couple of days. So as we get into the day tomorrow, some fog early on, especially down east, and then otherwise pretty sunny, just a couple of scattered showers and thunderstorms as you get into the afternoon. Saturday, once again warm, but not quite as warm as what we saw today and what we'll see tomorrow. And then we have some of those pop-up storms as well, a little bit cloudier than Friday. And then that cloudiness will continue again for Sunday and gradually get cloudier as we go over the next couple of days. Sunday also is when we could have some of those heavier showers as well. Now, the humidity does dip back just a little bit as we go into the beginning of next week, but it is going to be cooler and rainier as well as high pressure begins to depart offshore, and then we'll have another system that moves in. And then as we get later into the week, that system will move out pretty fast, and then we'll have high pressure settling in again for a nice pattern. So, Zach, it kind of goes on and off. We get some sunshine, we get some rain. The humidity is not great for my hair, but I'm just going to enjoy the sunshine while I get it.
Yeah, take it while you can. All right. Thanks so much, Dana.